Hello, my name is Kyle Andrews, and this is my proposal on how Boston can save itself from traffic congestion to creating a healthier city. So, what exactly is the problem here? Well, it's Boston's insane traffic. It's rated the worst in the United States, and it can be partially blamed on the Central Artery Tunnel project known as the Big Dig. The Big Dig created a phenomenon known as what we call induced demand, where after a supply increases, the more of a good is actually consumed. In this case, the Big Dig created more space for vehicular travel, and in return, more traffic came with it. So, what is the solution here? Well, we first need to reverse the demand through deconstructing our existing freeways to reduce personal vehicles on the road. Then, public transportation needs to be expanded to handle additional capacity. Lastly, a carbon toll needs to be implemented to incentivize public transit to further reduce both congestion and pollution. For example, in Somerville, this plan outlines the removal of Interstate 93 and the implementation of a new transit line. This line has the capacity to handle up to 350,000 passengers daily and is expected to move roughly 180,000 if we're operational by 2030. If implemented, the percentage of daily trips by personal vehicles in Boston could see a decrease of up to 14%. The carbon reduction zone is a limited access area for private vehicles in the greater Boston area. It's split into 3 segments: the low carbon zone, the ultra low carbon zone, and the zero carbon zone. Vehicles must pay a toll to enter the zones and meet a low emission standard or face additional fines. Through this implementation, vehicular commutes in Boston could see a 46% reduction, and public transit could see a 29% increase. The carbon toll will also aid in paying for the cost of deconstructing the freeways and building new transit lines in its place. Expected revenue from the toll is roughly $8.6 billion over a 10-year period. In total, Boston could see a reduction of up to 2.8 million tons of carbon production annually and could continue to be a leader in confronting climate change around the globe.